Fine. Yes, very good morning. Yes, all of you enable. Rachana, enable your videos. And if you're not enabling your videos, you can just leave the messages in the chat session. Okay? If you have any problem while enabling your video. So, fine. So then have you all studied whatever I taught you in the last session? Did you people went through that or not? Jyoti, Mallikarjun, and remember one thing, you have to log in your names. So I think yesterday Arpita ma'am has instructed you regarding this. So log in your names, everyone. You did, that's fine. Okay. So I'll ask a few questions to you and then I'll just start your session. So let's go first with Inky Pinky Ponky. Whom shall I ask? Okay, Amit, unmute. You're not audible to me. Can you be a little bit louder? You're not audible to me. Why you're not audible to me? Just a second, wait. Yes. Can you speak now? Okay, fine. I think you have. No, you're not audible, even though you're talking. Yes, Jyoti B. Just rename yourself.
Yes,
So I'm
ma'am.
audible to you. But why you are not audible to me? Yes, is it audible? Okay, fine. Jyoti, stay on a mute and rename yourself. Fine. So I'll come to your question and answer session at the end of the class. Okay. So let me revise you what are all the things I just taught you in the last session. And students, in the last session, we were just discussing about the chapter of number system. There we learned the meaning of number system, and also we just learned the two different numeration system. So one is Hindu Arabic system and the another one is international system. And in India, we use Hindu Arabic system. And in Hindu Arabic system, we have 10 digits number which starts from 0 and end on with a 9. So these are the things that I have taught you in the last session. And I'll just move on with the today's session and just share your screen. And students, I think the screen is visible to all. Just a minute. Okay. So hope you're all having the books in your hand. So I'll just tell you when you have to write. On that time you have to write. So do not take down anything now. Listen to me. Okay. Listen to me whatever I'm going to teach you now. Okay. See, coming on to your international system. So I have disabled your chat session. Okay. So I'm going to enable your chat session once my explanation gets over. And in the last session, I just discussed regarding, yes, the Hindu-Arabic system. And in Hindu-Arabic system, let me revise you this. We have ones, we have thousands, we have lakhs, and we have crore. And when I wanted to write the number, so I have the number 432523716. So this is the number I'm having here. And when reading the numbers in Hindu-Arabic system, how I'm going to read? See, for the first, from the last, I'm going to take out the number. For the last three numbers, I'm going to put the comma. And after the three numbers, for the next two numbers, I'll put the comma. And again for the next two numbers. Okay. And this number is going to stand in the unit place. And this is in 10. And this is in 100 place. And this is in the place of 1000. This is in the place of 10,000. And this is in the place of lakh, this is in the place of 10 lakh, this is in the place of crore, and this is in the place of 10 crore. Okay, so this is how we are going to write the number. And if you ask me how to study this, how to read this, so let me tell you how to read that. Here you can see whatever the thing I have written. So this was the number we had. Okay, and how to study that. So 43 crore 25 lakh 23,716. So this is how we are going to read that number. Okay. So up to here we have studied in the last session. And I'm going on to today's session. And in today's session, we will learn regarding our international system. So I have already taught you like what is international system, what kind of numbers we are going to get it, and how do we study that. So let me revise you that. So here we get million, thousands, ones. Thousand ones stays as it is in Indian system and in the international system also. But when I come to thousand in the Indian system, we just had 1,000 and 10,000. We did not had 100,000 in Indian system, but here we have 100,000. Okay, so this is an additional part in your international system. All of you, hope you're all getting it. So in thousand under international system, we get three types. One is 1,000, another one is 10,000, and the next is 100,000. So these are the three things you will get it in 1,000. And in Indian system, after 1,000, we were having the lakhs. But in international system, we are having a millions. Okay. So in millions, again, we have 3 million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. So million, you can see 10 million, 100 million. And you have a number here in the down. So that number, I'll be writing you in the uppermost part. You can see here, I have the number 432,523,716. So, ma'am, then how to read in international system? You all know how to read in Indian system. For the last three numbers, you used to put comma, and after that, for every two numbers, you used to put the comma and you used to study. But when I come to your international system, how do you study under your international system? I have already said you people like how to split out your numbers in your international system. So let me again go with your international system by splitting the number. For every three numbers, you will be putting the comma in your international system. Remember, for every three numbers, you will be putting the comma in your international system. Okay. And sure, ma'am, then how do we study this? See here, these three stands in the million place, 432 stands in the million place, 523 stands in 1,000 place, and then 716 stands in the 1 place. Then if I wanted to write this in the words, how do I'm gonna write? See here, I'm going to write this as 430, 430, 430, 2 million, 523, 520, oh, sorry, 523, 716, sorry, 523, 7,000, 23,716, 1,716. Okay, so this is how we are going to study, and this is how we are going to split out in your international system. So let me tell you that is 400. Do not write 100. There is no word called 100. Just write 100. Okay, 432 million, and then 523,716. 760. Okay, so hope you got this, how you have to write. And in your exam, if they ask you the question regarding, so they will give you the numbers like this, okay, and they will ask you to write this in the numbers. So on that time you will get confused, ma'am, how do we get to know whether this is under international system or this is under your Indian system, because you will have an option of both international and Indian. But you have to recognize in the question what does the question is going to stands for, and how you are going to recognize. A very small trick, based on this commas, you will be recognizing the numbers. So that's the reason I'm going to stress on that more. Okay. So in international system, for every three numbers, you are going to put the comma, and in your Indian system, for the last three numbers, and after the last three numbers, for every two numbers, you will be putting your commas. Okay. So hope you all got this. And this part yesterday only you people have written. No need to write it again. So now in your notes, start from here, take down the table, and below the table, take down this thing. Understood? So just take down the table of international system, and below the table, just take down the words that which is there in the red mark on the top of your sheet. Understood? So all of you take down in your notes. Notes is nothing but classwork. Again, you should not ask me, ma'am, notes means classwork. No, you should not ask. Okay. So if you have any doubts now, you can just drop your messages in the chat session. Now you people can chat with me. Yes, so go ahead, start writing, everyone. And remember, I'll give you just 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. And within the 5 minutes, I want you people to complete it. So let me see who's going to complete it first. And as soon as you complete, drop the messages in the chat session itself. Yes. Is there any doubt? And if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Arush, enable your video. Akshobhya, enable your video and write. Harshita, just right now I just said you right. What all to write you're asking again? See, okay, I'm gonna tell you again. Listen, you just have to write the table, and below the table, whatever I have written on the top of your sheet, which is there on the red part, just take down that. No, you should no need to write this up one. This one, there is no need. Do not write this because you people have already written this in the last session. Yes, Samuk. Yes, complete it soon. Let me see who's going to complete it fast. Samarth, yes, Samarth, you have raised your hand and you left it down. What's wrong? What happened? Be quick. Hardik, Hita, enable your videos and write Mallikarjun. And you people have to show your book to me at the end of the session. Remember that. Nischal, enable the video. Samni, Siddharth, Vaibhav. Yes, be quick. Why the link has been sent to you, right? Why plenty of messages again? The link will be there in the announcement section. You have to join from that. So nobody has completed still. Why you're so late? Be quick. Is it done? How much time your people gonna take? Manasu completed. Very good, Manasu. Samarth has done. Very good, Samarth. And the rest. Arey, be quick. How much time? Just it will just take 5 minutes. That's all. And while putting the commas, while writing millions, 10 million, 100 million and all, be careful with your numbers, okay? Shubham has completed. Very good, Shubham. Siddharth has completed. Very good, Siddharth. And the rest. Complete it soon. And very good. I just saw your results. So many of the people have got 100% results. So very good. I want you people to go in the same way. Okay, I want all the students to get 100 out of 100. So I just saw that 100%. I think 10 people have got 100 out of 100. Happy to see that. All the best for your upcoming test. Please do get the same kind of marks. Yes, is it done? Be quick. Only 4 to 5 people. Anvish 2 minutes. How much 2 minutes, man? Be quick. Anjan has done. Very good, Anjan. Pradyumna. Yes, Pradyumna.
Ma'am, I have joined now only. Can it?
I had some problem. You saw 15 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
I instructed you in the last session itself, right? It should be quick to the session, Anta, but still why?
Ma'am, some problem had, ma'am.
So that's the reason at 7:45 only you have to log in. So if you had any problem, you will get to know in that time. Okay, from next class, this should not happen to me. Okay? Okay. So just take down the notes which is visible on the screen. Okay. So once everybody complete this, I'm gonna explain you again. What is this? Okay. Shrup has done very good, Shrup. And then Aryan, it's completed. Very good, Aryan. Dhruv has done. You have sent me the chat in Kannada. Kannadikas, good. Very good. Aryan, it's done. Very good, Aryan. And the rest? Yes, Sanmi. Yes, unmute.
Ma'am, do we?
Yes, you're on a mute. Just unmute it. Now again, you're on a mute. Unmute. Yes.
Ma'am, do we have to write the red one which you wrote?
Yeah, this one. I'm highlighting here, right? That one you have to.
Okay.
Go ahead. So Vaishnavi is done. Very good, Vaishnavi. Nishchal has completed. Very good. You can just tell ma'am it's completed. I'll get to know who is that Anta. Hitta. Okay, rejoin once. Cannot hear me. Okay, I have sent you the message. You can see that also. Arush is done. Hardik is done. Very good. Anybody is writing still? For the last time, I'm asking you. Anybody is writing again? You people should not tell me to go back to the last screen, ma'am. You should not tell me that. So that's the reason I'm asking you now itself. Vaibhav completed soon. Shiva complete. Akshara, Vaibhav, and then yes, completed soon. Anvesh, Vaibhav, 30 minutes, 2 minutes. What is this? 30 seconds. Amod, you're still writing. Complete it soon. How much time you people need? So this is the last chance I'm giving you from the next slide onwards. 5 minutes will be given. If you want, you can write, or else no. But I want the classworks to be completed. See, you're writing from past 10 minutes. You should be hurry up. So Vaibhav finished. Very good, Vaibhav. And the rest. Shiva has finished. Very good. Okay, anybody? The last 2 more minutes I'll give you. That's all. Again, no need of extending the time. Akshobhya, it's done. Very good, Akshobhya. Arshita, it's done. Very good, Arshita. Amog is done. Very good, Amog. And the rest. Akshara completed soon. Anvish, it's finished. Very good, Anvish. Pranav is done. Very good, Pranav. Okay. I'm asking you for the last time. Anybody is writing? This is the last chance I'm giving you. Anybody? Okay. So I'm not getting any chats. Sanvi, complete it soon. Amod, complete it soon. See, even this, I gave the same time to even for your friends, and your friends have completed already. Pradyumna, you are late, so I might extend the time for you. But the rest, even you have logged in at the same time, right? The rest of them, and your friends have completed. Why can't you people write it soon? Sanvi is done. Okay, rest. Ma'am, there was a software problem. Okay, fine, Satya. Complete it soon, Satya. Akshara should not join late. See, from the next class onwards, I'll log the meeting. If you joined late, I'll give just 5 minutes. Okay. So at least if you have to join on or before 8:05, if you joined late, the meeting will be locked. You will not get an access to attend your classes again. Atharva finished. Very good. If I tell for 8 o'clock, Atharva, say you people will attend at 8:15, 8:30. Huh? This should not happen. In the last session, I have warned you. And again in this session, I'm warning. Atharva finished. Akshara, fine. Complete it soon. Athar completed. Manasu. Yes, Manasu, let them write. We'll just wait for them. Amod, it's done. Shiva. Shiva, finish. What is the spelling of finish? Finash, you are telling me. Finish. So, yeah, for today, Satya, this is your first part. No, sorry. See, sorry will not help you, Shiva. From the next time onwards, you should not do that. So, is it done by all? I'm asking everyone. So I have given enough time. Again, I'll not give you the time. So now I'm disabling your chat session. Your chat session has been disabled. Now I'll go on with your next part. Okay. So all of you listen to me for the next part. And the next thing that we are going to study here is the types of numbers in mathematics. And I have said you number system. Number system is going to deal with the different types of numbers. And we have so many types in our number system. In that, here I'm going to tell you regarding the natural number and the whole number. First, we'll learn what is natural number and then we'll go with the whole number. Natural number. Natural number is nothing but it is the counting numbers. Okay, suppose it starts from 1, end it with infinity, because as I have already said, in the Indian Arabic system we have a numbers from 0 to 9. Only these are the numbers we have. Okay, but if we still have to write still more number, whatever the numbers are there here, from this number we will be forming 10. See here, 1 is already there. So with the utilization of 1 and the 0, we will write 10. In the same way, if I utilize 1 for it twice, it will become 11. Okay. So this is how I'm going to write the numbers. So then what is natural numbers? See, you can count 1, you can count 2, you can count 3. Suppose if I give you 3 chocolates, you can tell, yes, I have a 3 chocolates with me, ma. You can tell because you can count that. So all the counting numbers will come in natural number. And remember one thing, the number will start from 1 here. Okay, the number will start from 1 and it will end on with infinity. Ma'am, what is infinity, you can ask me. Infinity which you cannot count. Can you count the stars in the sky? No, you cannot count because it is infinity in the number. So the numbers which you cannot count. See, you can write till 1000, you can write till lakh, and you can write till crore, million, billion, 100 million, 1000 billion. You can go like this. So where you have a infinity numbers. So all this infinity numbers will going to come in your natural number. Okay. So now let me write the meaning of it. So all of you listen, do not write. I'll give a time to you. On that time, you can write the counting numbers. The counting numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4, and just put the full stops here, are called natural numbers. Natural numbers. Okay. So this is the meaning of your natural numbers. So ma'am, do we get an example to it? Yes, you do get an example. Example, n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And remember one more thing, natural number is denoted by natural number is denoted by N, capital letter N. So from the capital letter N, we are going to denote the natural number. Okay. And example, N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, because the natural numbers will be starting from 1 and ends with infinity. So all the counting numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on are called as natural number, and it is denoted by 1. And example has been given to you. Here n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay. And here coming on to the next part, whole number. Ma'am, what is whole number? So all the counting numbers along with the natural number, but in whole numbers, 0 will be included. Okay. So in whole numbers, what happens? 0 will be included, but in natural numbers, 0 will not be included. Okay. Remember this thing. Okay. Whole numbers included with a 0, natural number excluding the 0. And coming on to your whole number meaning, all natural numbers together with 0, are called whole numbers. Okay. And then whole number is denoted by what? The whole number is denoted by see, we had natural number, we denoted by n. We have whole number, we are going to denote it by w. Okay. And we do have an example for the whole number. The example is w is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, and this also might go till infinity. Okay. So these are the first two types of number. One is the natural number, one is the whole number. Natural number are the counting number which starts from 1 and end it with an infinity, and natural number is being denoted by n, and example has been given, n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And coming on to the whole number together with a natural number it will include, but together with 0 it will come. Okay. 0 will not be there in natural number, but when I come to whole number, 0 will be there. And natural number denoted by n, whole number is denoted by w. Okay. So this is about your natural number and the whole number. So please do make a note of this, and once it's completed, leave your messages in the chat session. So I think you people can start writing this now. And 3 people have raised their hand. Yes, I'll come back to you just a minute. So finished. Very good. That means you were writing during the session. Please do not do that, Shubhan. Okay. Now you people can write. Okay. So I think Amod, you have raised hand. Just a minute. Wait for a second, students. So Vaishnavi, this is not the new chapter. Whatever the yesterday class I have started, the same chapter it's been continued. So yes, Amod, you can unmute and ask your doubt.
Ma'am, you put brackets in natural number and whole number. Are they compulsory?
No. See, actually, in your exam, so all of you listen to me properly, okay? So in your this theory part, in your exams, whether it is Sainik school, RMS school, or Navodaya entrance exam, they will not ask you the theory question. They'll just ask you the MCQ question. And why I'm doing this theory part for your understanding. So once you understand the theory, you can easily do the problems, okay? And they will not ask you in your exam what is natural numbers. No, they will not ask you. If they ask you, they will ask you in the MCQs, and they will give you a set of numbers. Suppose what give an example for natural numbers. So option A 1 2 3 4, option B 0 1 2 3, option B option C both A and B, option D none of the above. So on that time you will tick for option A because you know that is the natural number. So this way they will ask you the question, but they will not ask you in detail. Okay. So hope I cleared your doubt. You can leave your hand down now. Yes, Sanmi, what's your doubt? Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am, it goes up to infinity, the whole number. Yes, Sanmi, go ahead.
Ma'am, will the whole numbers even count the numbers after 0, like -1, -2, -3?
That will not come. That will come in irrational numbers, rational, irrational. So it will only start from 0. So that whatever you said, that we are going to study in number line. Suppose if I draw number line 0, here we get 1 2 3, and here we get -1. We won't get this in whole numbers. Okay, do not get confused with that.
Okay, ma'am.
Hope I cleared your doubt. You can stay on a mute. Yes, Shiva, unmute.
Ma'am, your voice was breaking, ma'am. Can you say what is whole numbers again, ma'am?
Voice was breaking. Yes, I'll explain. And again, one more person has asked that in the chat session. I'll explain you, Shiva. And you can leave the hands down. Yes, Pradyumna.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of denoted?
Denoted. It is nothing but represented. Okay. Suppose if I tell Pradyumna, so we'll tell Guru Raj, son is Pradyumna, isn't it? So from your father, you will be recognized. Are you getting? Are you there, Pradyumna? Hope I cleared it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fine. Leave your hands down. Yes, Samarth.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am. That's why I wanted to tell.
You can reply me in the chat session also, no man. Fine. Whole numbers, some people ask. Let me tell you regarding the whole numbers. Whole numbers, whatever you get it in the natural number, the same way you're going to write. Whole numbers are also the counting numbers, but one thing, in whole numbers, 0 will be included. Okay. So in whole numbers, 0 will be included, and in natural numbers, 0 will not be included. Okay. So many people have completed. Very good. Anybody is writing still? May I know that? Anybody is writing? Vaibhav, Amok, complete it soon. Shiva, yes, Shiva, you're telling ma'am, complete it soon. So Amit has done very good. Satya is done, Niharika is done, Aryan is done. Very good. Anybody is writing still? Bhavishya finished. Very good, Bhavishya. Anmesh, it's done. Akshara, it's done. Very good. Amod, it's done. Still, it's completed. Yes, Siddharth, you have raised the hand.
Ma'am, I'm still writing.
Complete it soon, Siddharth. Yes, Mallikarjun, you have raised the hand.
Ma'am, I completed, ma'am.
Okay, fine. If it's completed, you can just tell me in the chat session. Okay, there is no need of raising the hand. Akshobhya, it's done. Very good. Vardhan, it's done. Very good, Vardhan. Aryan, you have raised hand. What happened, Aryan?
Ma'am, in whole numbers, the integers are also included.
No. So international, I just explained you, Aste. When I come to your whole number system, we just deal only about the Indian system. Okay? Do not get confused with that. And then Anjan, yes, Anjan, unmute.
Ma'am, I have done that time only, ma'am.
It's fine. I'm just waiting for others to complete, Anjan. Even they are like
Ma'am,
me, right?
ma'am, I done it at, ma'am, I did it at 8:34.
I didn't get you what you said. Fine. Stay on a mute. Arush, yes, Arush. What happened, Arush?
Ma'am, I just wanted to say, ma'am, I have completed my notes.
It's
ma'am.
fine. If you have completed, no need to raise the hand. Okay? You just tell me here, I can see your chats. Yes, Hardik, if it is done, it's fine. Let us wait for the rest of them. Let them too complete. And the others, is it completed? 0 is not a natural number. Remember that. And the others, is it completed? Anybody is writing still? Fine. So hope you people have completed, and I'll be disabling your chat session now. And your chat session has been disabled. You all can listen to me for the next part. Let us go with the next types of numbers we have here. So I think the last two you know, and the first you might be knowing or you might not be knowing. So let me explain you. Let us go with first the integer numbers. So then what is integer numbers? Suppose right now your friend asked, ma'am, can we take -1, -2? I said that will come in integers. So here, if I write 0, whatever the numbers you will get here is plus, okay? All positive numbers you will get. But here all negative numbers, that is -1, -2, -3. So these types of numbers, we call it as a integer numbers, okay? So along with the whole numbers, the negative numbers will also be included here in your integer numbers. So let us go with the meaning of this now. What is integer numbers? We'll just see. All natural numbers, all natural numbers together with 0, together with 0, and negative numbers are called integer numbers. Are called integer numbers. Okay. So let us give an example for the integer numbers. Example -3, and here it will continue. Okay, na? See, okay, let me write you neatly. So here some numbers will come, and from here -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and continues till infinity. Okay. So all the natural number together with the 0. Okay. Whatever natural numbers we have, all those natural numbers included with the 0, and all the negative numbers will also be included. That is what we are going to call it as integer numbers. So coming on to your even numbers. What are even numbers? You all know what are even numbers. We'll just write the even numbers here. the natural numbers which are divisible by 2, which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. Okay, so whatever the natural numbers, that means all the numbers which are divisibles of 2, we will be calling that as a even number. See, you can see an example. Write the multiples of 2. That's all. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and it still continues. Okay, in that. Coming on to the next part, odd numbers. So what are odd numbers? Whatever the numbers left it out in the even numbers, we consider that here as a odd number. So the natural numbers which are not the divisibles of 2. So we'll just write the meaning. The natural numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. Okay, so all the natural numbers which are not divisible by 2, we are going to call that as a odd number. So suppose if I write an example to this, so the example is, see, 1 is divisible by 2? No, it is not. And the 3 is divisible? No. 5 is divisible? No. 7, and so on it continues. Okay, so all the natural numbers which are divisible by 2 are called as even numbers, and they are the multiples of 2 you can take. And all the odd numbers, that means all the natural numbers which are not divisible by 2, so that we are going to call it as a odd number. And when I come to your integer numbers, all the natural numbers will come together with the 0, and here the negative numbers will also include it. That means 0 will be in the middle. On the right hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on the left hand side, -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. Okay, so this is what we are going to call it as a integer numbers. So hope you all understood. So all of you start writing, and once it is done, drop a message in the chat session, and now you people can chat with me. Yes, Rachana, you have raised your hand. What happened, Rachana?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I did not understand integers number.
That's what integer is, nothing but 0 you will write. And you are going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, and it will be continuing. Along with that, -1, -2, -3, -4 will come. Okay? Hope I cleared your doubt, Rachana. So all of you, when I give you an access to unmute, till I'm going to clear your doubt, do not unmute yourself, okay? Because if you have still doubt, you can clarify on that time. That's the reason. Yes, Shubhan. What's your doubt, Shubhan?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, till now the natural numbers and all, natural numbers and whole numbers, when we were writing, right? Then example n is equal to 1 for natural
Yes,
numbers.
it is denoted by n, I said, right?
And
but here,
yes, ma'am. But for
integer
numbers.
Yes.
For integer numbers, even numbers,
yes,
and
yes.
odd numbers.
I got your doubt. So for integer number, you can denote by I, even number E, but there is no denotions for this, okay? But for natural and whole numbers, we have a denotions, okay? But we don't have much, we won't use that much. So that's the reason I have excluded that part.
Okay, ma'am. So we don't need to write that.
No need to write. No
like
need to write.
I is equal to -3, -2, and
no
all,
need
right?
to write.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. You can leave your hand down now. Yes, Akshara.
Ma'am, after in integer number, after all
Be
natural
little bit
numbers
louder,
together.
Akshara.
Ma'am, in integer numbers, after all natural numbers are together with a zero.
Yes.
Ma'am, after zero, what is that?
In integer numbers, they will take all the natural numbers, okay? But 0 will also be there in the integer numbers. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, stay on a mute and leave your hand down now. And Vaibhav, yes, what's your doubt, Vaibhav?
Ma'am, in integer numbers, they have written all natural numbers together with D or O, ma'am.
All natural numbers with 0. 0.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Stay on a mute, leave your hand down now. Yes, Hardik?
Ma'am, that you said in the odd number, which number which are not divisible by 2 means I'm not getting
Numbers,
understand.
see, the numbers which are not divisible by 2. Can I divide 1 from the 2? So if I do also,
No.
I get the reminder. I should not get any reminder. Okay? That's what it is. You can leave your hand down now. Yes, Dhruv, what's your doubt? Be quick in clearing your doubts.
Ma'am, can even and odd numbers have negative numbers, ma'am?
Even and odd numbers can?
Have negative numbers?
No,
ma'am?
it will not have negative numbers. Hope I cleared your doubt. You can leave your hand down. Yes, Amog. Yes, Amog. Unmute. See, if you cannot unmute, there will be some problem. Rejoin for the session. Okay, na? Akshobhya.
Ma'am, what is difference between whole numbers and integer numbers, ma'am?
In whole number, you won't get the negative numbers. But in integers, we'll get the negative numbers. That's the major difference that we have here.
Ma'am,
Okay, so leave your hand down now. Yes, Anjan.
ma'am, I have done it. Ma'am, I have did it.
You have?
Ma'am, I have finished it.
That's fine, Anjan. In the last session only, I said you right. If you have finished, you can leave the message in the chat session, okay? I'll have a look into it. So only if you have a doubts, you have to raise the hand. If you have completed, you can just leave the messages in the chat session. I can see the messages here. Samarth, Vaishnavi, Amod, everybody are telling it's finished. I do have a concentration over here also in the chat session. Do not worry. I saw your messages too. So fine, completed soon. Is anybody is writing still? Anybody is writing still? May I know that? For the last time I'm asking. Amog, it's completed. Okay, Vaishnavi, it's done. Shilpa, it's done. Okay. So Hardik, you're writing completed soon, Hardik. And anybody apart from Hardik is writing here? Anybody is writing? It's done. Okay, Hardik completed soon. You're the only one who's writing. Be quick. Amok, even you're writing. Completed soon, Amok. How much time you people are required to write? Huh? Is it not enough time I have given you? Aryan, it's done. Very good, Aryan. The still is completed. Very good. So fine. Hope both of you have completed. Is it done? Is it done? Finished. Anvish has finished. Rest. Satya, it's done. Akshara, it's over. Okay. So fine. I think hope you people have completed. I'll just stop for here today. Okay. So now all of you show your book. Akshobhya, enable your video. All of you enable your video and show your books to me. Dhruv, it's done. Okay, Nischal, it's done. Samarth, Shubhan, good. Pranav, it's good. And then Akshara, you have to improve. Arshita, you have to improve the handwriting. Okay, write neatly, ma. Siddharth, yes, even you too, Siddharth. Put the columns properly. I think Amog, you have not used the scale to draw the diagram. It should be neat. If it is not neat, I'll tear your sheets. Yes, Manasu, okay. Shiva, it's fine. Aditya, good. Arush, yes, good, Arush. Amod, yes, I saw your book. Yes, Manasu, I saw. Anvish, yes, it's good. Okay, fine. Leave your books down now. So I think, hope everybody had understood today's session. Is there any doubt in today's session? Yes, Mohita, it's fine. I just saw your book. Just wait a second and just take your attendances. Okay. So is there any doubt still? If it is any doubt, you can tell. Yes, what's your doubt, Amit? What's your doubt? Be quick. It's been time already. Be quick. So fine. How was the session then today? Was it good? Amit, leave your doubt soon because it's getting late. Yes, fine. Yes, I saw Pradyumna. I saw your book. It's neutral. Fine. Shiva, it's good. Okay. So I have taken your attendances. Good. So is there any doubt in today's session? Yes, I saw your book, Hardik. Good. So yes, Shubhan. Okay. Integers along with the whole numbers, you do get the negative numbers. Okay. The easiest concept, why you people are taking so tough? Don't think it's too tough. It's a very easiest concept. Okay. Once you read, you will understand. Okay. Go home, sit in the home today and study once. Okay. So once you study, you can easily understand. How is your handwriting? I'll let you know. I think it's been already time up. Okay. So the remaining doubts part, again, I'll explain you in the next session. That's in an upcoming session. Okay. There is no emoji option. Why? So you need the emoji. So in the upcoming session, I'll just explain you whatever we have studied in today's part and then I'll go with the next. Is that fine with everyone? So fine then. With this, I'll be winding up my session and thank you all for attending the session. Meet you in the next class. Stay home, stay safe, go have your breakfast and sit and study. Okay, do not go out and play.